Well, more and more evidence is coming out that Joe Biden was completely disengaged from the pardon and commutation process. And under the Constitution, a pardon or a commutation only has legal force if the president makes the decision himself. If a staffer makes it, if somebody else in the White House makes it, it has no legal force. It is null and void. There have been multiple reports about just how disengaged Joe Biden was in this process. And this week, I wrote a letter to Pam Bondi, the Attorney General, calling on the Department of Justice to systematically examine the evidence, case by case, of what the direct involvement of the president was in those pardons and commutations, and calling on the Trump DOJ to challenge any pardons and commutations that were not specifically approved by the president. We'll break that down. We're also going to talk about legislation I introduced this week to protect Christians in Nigeria. Nigeria has seen a persecution of Christians that has been staggering. Just this week, over 60 people were murdered by jihadists, by radical Islamists in northeastern Nigeria. They executed soldiers. They went house to house. This pattern of targeting Christians, targeting Catholic priests, targeting individual men, women, and children is horrific. And my legislation would put real consequences on the government of Nigeria and those who